Hello, my name is Robert Donlin, and welcome to the YouTube channel Lights by the Sea. On this YouTube channel, we'll learn all about smart LED lighting, creating props, building light sequences, and beginner electronics. Hopefully, you'll subscribe to this YouTube channel. Well, you're probably asking yourself, why should I? That's a great question, and I'll tell you why. I'm going to dedicate this channel to learning about lighting show hardware, pixels, prop building, and sequencing. We're going to learn together and have some fun as we go along. Each week, I'll post a video, each one focused on the do-it-yourself lighting hobby. We'll journey over to my lighting lab, where we'll connect our pixels to a controller in a test environment, so we can test the lights and the sequences we build. I'm also a retired Navy Nuke electrician, and we'll learn the basic electronic skills I learned that you'll need in the hobby. My goal will be to make you confident in the skills needed for this hobby. Once in a while, we'll venture over to the workshop, where we will fabricate some of the props needed for the show. Lights by the Sea will be dedicated to do-it-yourself lighting hobby. Here, we'll be talking about planning for your show, buying pixels, buying props and prop parts, building your own props, cutting, soldering, and customizing your own pixel strings, setting up your show networks, and lighting controllers, building and importing sequences, and anything else I feel we will need to have a successful light show. We'll keep it positive, fun, and hopefully we'll learn from each other. At this point, I'm going to end this introduction, so we can move on to make some lights go blinky blinky and flashy flashy. Hopefully, you'll hit that subscribe button to bookmark this channel and receive notifications of future episodes. I promise, you won't forget it. Once again, I'm Robert Donlin. This is Lights by the Sea, and the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. But the second best time is today. So let's get started.